ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
स्यतासि लृटोः
स्यतासि लुलुटोः
on that number 33 सिब्बगुलं लेटी
सिब्बहुलं लेटी
कास्प्रत्ययादाम मन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्यादाममन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो निच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
भीह्रीभृहुवांश्नुवच्च
भीह्रीभ्रुवांश्नुवच्च
क्रञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदां कुर्वन्ति अन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियात् विदामक्षिण्यति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयात्पावति क्रियादविदामग्निति छन्दसि
श्लीलुङि
श्लीलुनि
श्लेयसु च
श्लेयसु च
शलैकुपदा अनिटहक्सः
शलैकुपदानिटः
दिश आलिङ्गने
श्लिश आलिङ्गने
न दृशः
न दृशः
निश्रीदृसृभ्यकर्तरि छङ्
निश्रीदृसृभ्यकर्तरि छङ्
विभाषाद्धेक्ष्योः
विभाषाद्धेक्ष्योः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
गुपेश्छन्दसि
धातुपाठ
280.
From that we have.
From that.
20?
8.
20. Yeah, but one interesting thing I'll tell you, which is, we'll come to 208 later. Other class I was telling someone, so you should be able to follow, because you know we have covered, you know it. Let's see. 489. Okay, what is the dhatu 489?
Rucha.
Deepta viprito cha. Ruch dhatu, right? Rochate. Okay. What dhatu? Paraspati, Atmanepadi. Don't see the ending.
Rochate is Atmanepadi.
Therefore, the itamsha must be exactly.
Anudata.
So here it must be. Where it is. Yutadayaha, udataha, anudat. Here it given for 503.
Yeah.
503. Do you see 503?
Yes.
Anudatetaha, therefore, all are
Atmanepadi.
Fine. And say it underneath. Udata, just to be read.
Udata, so say it.
Dhatu is said dhatu, ruch dhatu, right? Now, let us take ruch dhatu. And interesting is, what is the latlakara rupam?
Rochate. Rochate, rochanti.
Rochate, rochante. Roche. Then how do you say? You know, roch means he likes. He likes. How do you say? He likes.
Saha
rochate.
No.
Saha.
That is what is here. We have seen that. It's not. We don't know. We know it.
Chaturthi vibhakti.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Tasmai rochate. Maghyam rochate. That should be. This is what is important here. That is, karta will be in Chaturthi. And karma will be in, as usual, Ditya. Right? Maghyam, Mishtam rochate. You can say Mishtannam. Maghyam, Mishtannam rochate. Ruchdatu, let us do this. It's interesting. Vadigana, Ubepadi, Atmanepadi, Parasmapadi, Atmanepadi. Just now we saw. Right?
Yeah.
How do you know it's Atmanepadi? Because just
the
now we saw.
Anunasika Hach is.
Dyutadayaha. I'll write the number. That is
489.
489.
Yes, 489. 489. Rucha, Deepta Bhaviprito cha. 489. Vadigana, the detail. And in 503, what is given? It is Dyutadayaha Udattaha Anudattetaha. Right? If you write like this, it will be easy to remember. It is Udataha Anudatteta. Therefore, Atmanepadi, and Dhatu is
Set.
So therefore here you can say Dhatu is set. Vadigana Atmanepadi. Of course, it will be Sakarmaka, Akarmaka, Sakarmaka. Yeah. It is Sakarmaka Dhatu, but I don't know why in the website it says Akarmaka. Because Magyam Rojate, karma is there, right?
Yeah.
Karma. Yeah. Karma is there.
Yeah.
Karma is there. So, and the dhatu is set. Now let us take quickly do the other. Let kartari would be dhatu is rochate. So rochate, magyam rochate, then arochata, right? Then rochatam
and
rocheta, yes. Yeah. Of course, in future tense it will be ruch plus This is said.
Ruchishati.
Not this. No, we're not.
Roch.
Guna will happen.
Yeah, guna will
Oh,
happen.
Rochishyate.
Rochishate.
What about lut lakara? Lut. Daro rasaha. Right? Daro rasaha. Therefore, ruch plus, it's like trich. In trich, what you have?
Uh,
Ruch plus, suppose it is like trich. It's exactly like trich, but not trich. Okay, I'm just for understanding making it trich. Okay, not trich. What will happen? This will cause angakarya, ro, and it is one E will come, right? Ichitra, itra. Rochitra. So when you decline, Rochita, Rochitaro, Rochitaraha, right? That is a form. But that is not the way we derive. This is only for understanding and writing. Okay. Don't think this is how it is derived. How it is derived? Daro Rasaha. Remember? Maybe I will write quickly here and then delete. Here I will write quickly and then remove that. That is Ruch plus, what is the pratyaya? Da pratyaya.
Da.
Pratyaya and Lutlakara, what pratyaya will come just to be seta, si, luto, tas.
Tas.
And it is what pratyaya, adadatuka pratyaya. Therefore, itagama will come. Don't forget it.
Adadatuke valadi.
Then Ditto Samatya, Te Lopaha, what will happen to As? As will become Lopaha. Content of Da is A only. Therefore, Ruch plus It
plus
Ita. And this will cause Angakarya. Rochita. That is what I did here.
Yeah.
I took it as Trich Pratyaya. It's okay, same form when you get. That's why for understanding better. Okay. Rochita. Okay, then lit lakara, then leave it. Okay. What about the ling lakara? That is also interesting. Setasi litoho. Setasi litoho. What will be their form? Lit rupam.
It should be
Ling rupam. Conditional. So conditional, see, this is a l as well as ngit. So you will, because it is a ngit pratyaya, attakama will come. Attakama or atama, whatever it is. Number one. Right? Ruchdat is ajad alari, therefore attakama. And because it is l, like the lit lakara, sya will come. Sya pratyaya. Because it is a ngit lakara, therefore like the lang lakara, it will have the pratyaya. Takara taman in parasmipadi and tam anta, right? That will come. You understand what I'm saying? Yes.
Yes,
Combination of lit and combination of
lung.
Both. Because it is lung, that agama and the pratyaya will come.
Comes, yeah.
And sya because it is a combination of both. This is conditional.
Yeah.
If you had studied well, you would have passed. So like the conditional, right? That is
Yeah.
that's conditional.
Okay.
And this is sya, itagama will come, it will happen shya, right? And this can cause angakarya, ro, and attack. Not ach, okay, it is at. Therefore, aro chishyata. The form will be aro chishyata. Conditional. Aro chishyata. Like that we can decline. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Aro chishyata. Fine. This is ring lakara. Only one. This is from Arodsa. Then other lakaras, I think it can leave it. Okay. This is. I think we did many. Ashiling is so simple, but I'll teach you some basics and then we can do it.
Yes, Jay. That is.
Yeah. Actually, we need to know the basics.
I'll not teach the basics and then we'll do the other.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Ashiling will be a little difficult. I'll teach the basics. Simple only. It's not difficult. Karmani would be what? Ruchyate. Simple. That do you know? Ruchyate, Aruchyata, then Aruchyata, Aruchyatam, right?
Aruchyatam.
Not Ruchitam, sorry. Everywhere there's hangover. This
And
problem.
that is Rucheta. Yeah.
Ruchyeta. Then here will be Rochishyate only. What will happen in future tense? Ruch plus ya plus te only.
Mm.
Ruch plus ya plus te, whether karmani or kartari, sya will come here, it looks same. Karmani lang, kartari, sorry, karmani lit lakara and kartari lit also will look same. Rochishyate only. Ruch plus ya plus te, simple, right?
Mm.
Yak will come only when Sarvadadika Pratyaya follows. This we are doing. Sita say little
Yeah,
lit
Sita
lakara
says.
follows, ya only will come.
Mm.
And of course, then here, in lut lakara karmani did we do? That also same thing. Because Adadadika Pratyaya, right? Therefore, what will come? Same Rochita only. Whatever form we did, the same thing will come. Because Ruch plus, Tas plus, then Da will come. Okay.
Mm.
You understand? Same
Yes,
thing.
Jay.
Then there's a Lim Lakara, combination of this both. That also will be same. All these are, Satase Lulitoho, by that same thing.
Roshyata.
This difference you don't see because the Dhat is Atmanepadi, therefore you don't see the difference. Otherwise you will see the difference. Simple.
Oh.
Right? If it is Parasmepadi, then you all
Then
here
we'll
you will
see.
have Titi,
Yeah.
and here you will have Atmanepadi. But here you don't see it because Dhatu is Atmanepadi.
Atmanepadi.
That's why you don't see. Now, here comes the interesting thing. Ruch plus Tva Pratyaya. What do you get?
Tva is Rochitva.
Dhatu is
It is
Sed Dhatu.
said dhatu, so it will come.
So
Then
here
it,
you see, you go to the section I taught you already. You know it. So some 1-2 section you go and see. First chapter, second section. Here. Ut upadad bhavadi karmanova anyatarasyam is there. Na tva said. That also is there.
Oh, okay.
26. What does it mean? Na tva said.
18, no? That
Yeah, when it is said, then tva pratyaya will not be kit. Na kit coming as anuvritti. From where?
okay.
Asanyogat lit kit. From here, kit goes anuvritti up to 26. Right?
Yeah.
You see sutra number 5.
Okay.
Asanyogat lit kit goes anuvritti up to 26. Now, the sutra, this says, Natva said, for the tva pratyaya, right? Said dhatu will not be, the tva pratyaya will not be kit. For the state dhatu, tva pratyaya na kit bhavati. Therefore, what will happen?
Angakarya will happen. Guna.
This is a said dhatu, therefore itagama will come, but here. But what will happen? It is not kit, therefore angakarya will happen.
Karya will happen. Yeah, Rochitva.
Rochitva.
Okay.
This is one form. One form this is.
Oh.
And tva pratyaya can come for ruch dhatu optionally also. So with this itagama, without itagama, we have two. With yeah. With
it
itagama,
will be there in both.
it will be there both, but angakara is optional because it is itvam itself is because the ruch dhatu. Now, ruch dhatu taking itagama, right? Ruch dhatu taking itagama, the itagama is that is the because of itagama by sutra na tva said, by that it is akit, by that akit. Okay. Now it enjoys itagama will come because the dhatu is said. Now the same here you see. Na tva said is there, and by what is that? No, but here only Anitara Shamkam is another thing. That's right. Kit coming as anuvrutti. Yes. Itojal. Netrofyam. Na pungaha natva. I think sutra number 23. Just a minute. Let me check one. Because the Uttupada is there. I think that is the one. Na Upadat 21. 1 to 21. Uttupada. Ukara is the Upada. Uttupada. Yes, that is the one. Please see that. I'll show you. There are Uttupada Dhatus. Uttupada means Ukara is Upada. Right?
Okay.
By 1 to 26. Uttupadat Bhavadi Karmanoha Anyatarasya. So Nishta said, that is said that here Nishta said, Uttupadat Dhatoho. This is for said. Okay, this is for Ta Pratyaya. Shubhita. This is for the
Nishta.
Nishta Pratyaya. Okay. This is for the Nishta Pratyaya. Nishta Pratyaya we will see. That will be, this will applicable. But here, how does it happen? Dhatu is which Dhatu? Said Dhatu. Therefore, just a minute. In 7-2 section. Saptami. Yeah. Madhyaya. Tva Nirakushaha. I think we're not here. It should be that Ittagama is a must and Kittam is Na Kittavavati and the Kittam is also made option. I think it must be in the 1-2 only. Just give me a minute. I've just recently only I did. I forgot. Start. See, very recently only I was teaching some people. Although from
This one, no? Asanyoga lit kit. Ada. Illale.
not that one. This Ruchidatu with the Tva Pratyaya. Tva Pratyayanta Ruchidatu would be just a minute. Oh, sorry. The second chapter only. 1 to 20, 26. If you see that, that sutra, okay. I just 1 to 26, we know that Ralaha Upadayaha, important sutra. Remember?
Ralo.
That is the one. There only optionality. I missed that. Okay. 1 to 26. Ralaha. Vyutpada means Ikara, Rukara is Upada, Aladehe, Sanscha, Yat Tva coming as Anuvrutti. Okay. And ruch is ral. Ruch comes under the takara is ral pratyahara. Ral pratyahara anta. So if you see 1 to 26, instead of 1 to 26, I put 1 to 21. 21 also is important. Nishta pratyaya we will see. 1 to 26. There only for sun pratyaya as well as twa coming as anuvritti.
Okay.
So this is the one. Ukara upada dikara upada cha dhatoho ralanta dhatoho aladehe. Okay, aladi dhatoho sansya twa pratyaya cha seto dhato kitau vikalpena bhavati. Right? Very clear. This is one. This is important sutra. Okay,
Yeah.
I also forget something, but because the conditions are there, ralanta, aladi, all those things, you need to remember that. No. Therefore, the said dhatu kitvam is optional. Therefore, here it is no kit, akit. With akit, by
Ruchitva,
akitvam, you will have rochitva. If it is kit,
Ruchit, it is Ruchitva.
okay, I'll write a sutram here so that I also don't forget. What is sutram? Here
Ralo.
kitvam
1
is,
to
no, here the first one is
1 to 8.
1 to 18. 1 to 18.
18. Okay.
1 to 18, natva set, right? Kitvam is not there. And this sutra says kitvam will be
optionally.
optional. That's why only 1 to 18 you apply. 1 to 26. This says kitvam is optional. 1 to 18, natva set.
Yes.
By that angakara happens. 1 to 26 says the set dhatu will be kit optionally. Right?
Ruchitva.
Va kito bhavataha. Raloho. What to then 1 to 18 na tva set. Oh, kittum na bhavati. Not 1 to 8. Correct. So you're right. Okay. 1 to 26 only. 1 to 26. By 1 to 26, it is optionally kit. When it is not a kit, then we can do Angakarya, which is 7386. If we take it to be a kit, Natwa state by that rule. 1 to 20, if it is kit. 1 to 26 gives optional kitvam. Optional kitvam for twa pratyaya for the said dhatus. So here it is said dhatu, and the kitvam is given. Here kitvam is not given. So here it becomes ruch plus twa become ruchitva. Understand? So it is by 1 to 26 only, not 1 to, because what is denied by 1 to 8 is given optionality by 1 to 26. Maybe I will write that. 1 to 18 denies kitvam to twa for the said dhatus. That is given an optionality by 1 to 26. You understand? Is it clear? 1 to 18 denies kitvam. 1 to 26 relaxes kitvam. By relaxing, you get this rochitva. Therefore, if you don't apply the vikalpa, then by 1 to 18, you can say it will be kit only. Therefore, no angakarya. Natva set. Natva set is set dhatu tva pratyaya na kit bhavati, right? Yeah. That is, sorry. I think for na kit bhavati. Na kit bhavati means it is akit. So I have to make it here. 1 to 18. I have had to put what? So there it would be tva pratyaya. Tva pratyaya is kit. And akitvam is given by 1 to 18, not by 1 to na tva set kit, not by 1 to 26. Because it is not a kit, therefore angakarya can happen. By the sutra 1 to 26, that is made kit, optional kitvam. Therefore, if it is kit, ruchitva. You understand now? Please see. 1 to 18 says na tva set. What is the meaning of na tva set?
Kitvam will not
Kitvam is negated.
No,
Will
no,
it
no.
is?
Yeah, Iskitam is negated. Yes, 1 to
Yeah.
18. 1 to 18 says Natva set. You see Kashika. Twa pratyaya set na kit bhavati. Therefore, akit, right?
Akit, yeah.
By this sutra, we can do Angakarya. That, I mean, not the sutra, by 7386. Because it is not kit, therefore Angakarya can be done by 7386. Done. Done. By the sutra 1 to 26,
it made
Kittam
option.
is
It made
it's made
optional.
optional. So already, if it is not kit, we have done. Therefore, if it is kit, then Ruchitva. Okay.
Okay.
Is it
So
clear?
Adnana Atidesha Sutram Adipti.
Yeah, this is why Atidesha, extending the kitvam. Okay. This is what interesting. This is for all. In fact, the moment we come across Ukkara, Uttupada, and Null, we have to refer to 1 to 26. We missed, I forgot. But, every time I say, I shall forget. Okay. Then Lyap Pratyaya, Pra plus Ruch plus. Pra plus Ruch plus Lyap. So what is a Pra plus Ruch plus Lyap Rupam?
Prarupkya.
So Samase Anaj Purve, Twa will be replaced by
Lep.
Lyap.
Yeah.
So therefore, once it is replaced, you replace it by Lyap. It is not Twa, it will not take Agama, Itagama, because it is not Valadi. Therefore, there is no question of Kittom option and all here. Therefore, Pra Ruchya, simple. Now, Ta Pratyaya, Ruch plus Ta. Ruch plus Ta will become, that's what we just now we saw the Sutra.
The
Nishtaya.
yeah. Well,
What is the Sutra? We see 1-2 section. 1-2 section is important when it comes here. Therefore, Nishtha coming as Anubhutri from 19th Sutra to 21st Sutra. Therefore, 1 to 21 says 1 to 21. 1 to 21. Uttupada dhatus. This is Uttupada. Set, Nishtha set, dhatu, which is set dhatu, Nishtha na kit vartate. That is Uttupada dhatoho. Okay, Adikarmani cha vartaman Nishtha pratyah set anatarasyaam na kit bhavati. Optionally, it will not be kit. Therefore, we'll have two forms, right? With kit, considering to be kit, considering to be akit. The dhatu is set dhatu. Therefore, ruch plus ta pratyaya will become ruch plus ita. Right here.
Ruchita.
Ruch plus ita.
Ruchita.
Yeah, ruch plus ita, two forms.
Rochita and Ruchita.
Rochita.
So here it is ruchita, and here it is rochita is kittom is rendered option. Kittom anyatarasyaam kitna bhavati, right? Therefore, 1 to, you can say 1 to 20.
Anyatarasyaam not there means Nityam.
Anyatarasyaam kitna bhavati. Kit will be, sorry, Anyatarasyaam kit bhavati. Seti Anyatarasyaam kit na bhavati. Kshamyatam. Anyatarasyaam kit na bhavati. So Anyatarasyaam kit na bhavati. Therefore, how many forms you will have?
Only one, no? Not Bhavati, so it will be
So Anyatarasyaam kit na bhavati. Therefore, we'll have only one form. But this Uttupada dhatu, Anyatarasyaam kitna bhavati. Yeah, Anyatarasyaam kitna bhavati. So Anyatarasyaam kit, therefore kit, there will not be optional kitvam. There will not be optional Nishtha pratyaya, set Nishtha pratyaya, optionally na kit bhavati. Okay. So therefore, is optionally not kit. So therefore, optionally not kit means
optionally not kit means you get two forms, no?
Optionally kit.
Two forms
Optional.
together. Vikalpena.
Vikalpena. So it can be or may not be that way.
Okay, the sentence is Uttupadat Bhavadi Karmano. Let us see. On better Kashika, let us see. Nishta said na kit vartate. Iti that coming as anuvrutti. Uttupada dhato ho adikarmani vartam nishta pratyah. Set nishta pratyah. Anyatarasyam kitna bhavati. It will not be optionally kit.
Yeah.
Va kitnasya. Therefore, you see two forms. You have two forms, right? Uttupadat para bhavadi karmano ho set nishta pratyaya ka pratyaya here, which is set taking itagama. It will be va kit bhavati should say. Why va kitnasyat? Just thinking. Okay. Anatarasyam kit bhavati.
And sentence is confusing.
It was not confusing before, but now it is confusing. It was not confusing for me before, but now when I reread again, Bhavadi karmanoho nishta set pratya va kit syat. Va kit syat means okay. So yes, this is making mandatory. No. Nishta anyatarasya kitna bhavati. Anatarasyam kitna bhavati means it is.
By Vikalpena, this kid will not be there.
So it means you will have only one form. The said nishta affix is optionally not kit. After the verbs with the penultimate ukara is used impersonally. According to some nishta pratyaya, they are not kit after the verbs having the penultimate. If those verbs are used during the action, then it has been the rule doesn't apply. So if the verb has any other, okay, fine, that's not important.
Yeah, it's a Ruchitam, something is coming.
What is this missing? So Anatarasyam with Ruch plus Ita, Ruchita, Ruch plus Ita, Rochita. So Anatarasyam kit na bhavati. Optionally, it will not be kit. Optionally, it will not be kit means it is kittum is not given an optionality. So kit. Therefore, kittum is therefore Ruchita.
So it's say just like whatever we did for Twa, why do we need the sutra then?
This is ta pratyaya. This is nishta pratyaya we require.
Yeah, but it's understandable, Noji. We can just extend whatever we have done for Twa, right?
Now, Twa is different. Twa is very clearly said. Twa 1 to 26 it says if san pratyaya follows, it will be kit optionally.
Yeah.
We don't have any problem. Raloho, here the sentence looks a little different. See, va kito bhavataha is understood. It will be optionally kit.
Correct.
Optionally kit
we can
means
apply
one
it
with
for
optionally kit means we one with kit, other without kit. If it is without kit, angakarya will happen. Itagama will come. Of course, that condition is a must. Seti is there. Itagama will come and kit is optional. One, therefore, kit is optional. One with angakarya, other without angakarya. But here, bhavadi karmanoho anyatarasyam kit.
And Vasu, no, if you go down, I think clearly he has mentioned. If the verb has any other vowel than who as penultimate,
Okay.
then the rule does not apply. As Likita Manena, written by him, here he is penultimate and therefore no option is allowed, like that he has given. This rule has no application where the Nishta does not express.
That's okay.
That is
But here,
different.
Likdatu, which is Likitam Manena, that is Likitam Manena. But this rule is applicable for Uttupada. Uttupada Bhavadi Karbanoho Anyatarasyam, because Anyatarasyam is there and Anuvrti is Anyatarasyam Kit Bhavati is enough. Why Na is there? That's why the confusion is. Okay. This I have never seen. This is Upada Dhatoho Adhikarma Nishta Pratyaya Anyatarasyam Kit Bhavati is enough.
That's what I was thinking. That is enough. Why Dana?
Vakitnasya. Vakitnasya means it is mandatorily kit.
Oh, now optional. Yeah.
Okay. Why is optional?
Yeah, so you'll get two forms up to 9.
Now it is given.
No, is there?
Okay.
So it should be one form.
Only one form then.
But we have two forms.
Two forms.
Oh, okay.
Then I think we are missing one sutra before, if you say, see, this is Asanyogat Litkit. Okay. Not here. Then Asanyogat Litkit. Nishta Pratyaye, Va Pratyaye Seti. Okay. This is 1 to 21. I think this is 1 to 21. And Nishta coming as Anuvritti. Nishta na Set Nishta na Kit Bhavati. Oh, I think he is bringing this three. Nishta, Set and Na. Seti Nishta, Nishta Pratyaya Vishaye, Set Dhatu, Kit na Bhavati. That by saying Anyatarasyam, Kit will become optional. That's how you have to take it. Seti Nishta Pratyaye, Kit na Bhavati. There is no optional Kitvam. By saying Anyatarasyam, the Kitvam is given an optionality. So the Kashika, the reading is misleading. We have to understand Anyatarasyam Kit Bhavati. That's why we are combining 1 to 19 and 1 to 21. Anyatarasyam Kit Bhavati. I think we have to change. So here Na you should not bring as Anuvritti. Na and Anyatarasyam, if you bring as Anuvritti, we'll have problem. Understand? I think we have to change it. But everybody has given that Kit na syat, that is va bhavati. So you have to this is a little tricky. But anyway, we will understand. See, Sutra 1 to 19 says Nishta Pratyaya 1 to 19. Na twa set if you take. For set dhatu, Nishta Pratyaya pare, Nishta Pratyaya will not be Kit. Number 1. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Seti dhatuhu, set dhatuhu, Nishta Pratyaya pare, na Kit. I mean, the Pratyaya will not become, Nishta Pratyaya will not be Kit for set dhatu. Na is there, so na Kit bhavat. Therefore, Angakara will happen. Right?
Yeah.
Na Kit is there. By 1 to 19, Angakarya will happen. So when Angakarya happens, therefore Ru will become Rochita. Right?
Okay.
Rochita. That is by 1 to 19. But when you say Anyatarasya, optionally, then Angakarya cannot happen because it is Ruchita. But here he is given an optionality, therefore Ruchita, 1 to 21. By 1 to 19, it is Rochita. But 1 to 99, that Anyatarasam saying, we are lifting that the Akitvam to, we are lifting that Akitvam to Kit. Therefore, it is Kit. You understand? That is a negative. Okay.
So na kit tapala anga varum.
Here, Akitvam, Kit, Akitvam, even though the Pratyaya is Kit, but it is given Akitvam. The Akitvam which is given by 1 to 19 is lifted here. Akitvam will not be optional, means it will be Kit. Therefore, no Angakarya. Understand like that, okay?
Yeah.
It's a little tricky, no?
Yes.
I taught them without a sutra, but with sutra it is. You want me to write it?
Yes, Sri.
Then you help me.
You'll
I will write
forget.
it. But see,
No,
that is
இது மறந்துரும், is sure I will
கண்டிப்பா
forget
மறந்துடும்.
this.
எனக்கே மறந்துச்சுன்னா just thinking
கண்டிப்பா
because I did this recently. So, but the sutra 1 to 19, the sutra 1 to 19 ordains Akitvam.
Akitvam.
Akitvam to Nishta, Seti Nishta. I'll make it like this. Set Nishta. Right? Set Nishta means Nishta Pratyaya taking Set Itagama. That means Dhatu is Set. Ordains Kitvam, number 1. Yes or no? This what is ordained, that is relaxed. What ordained, that is what the Sutram authorized. The Sutram, that is a Akitvam ordained by, make it Akitvam to Setishta, which is ordained by Sutra, is lifted by this Sutra. 1 to 21. The Akitvam to Setnishta, which is ordained by the Sutra 1 to 19, is lifted by 1 to 21. Vakit na bhavati. Right?
So, inga Paratvam will play a part.
No, Paratvam, one is option, it is there. Therefore, by the previous one, this will apply. By the later one, this will come. Not Paratvam here. It is lifted by the Sutra 1 to 21. So, here what happens, 1 to 9, here, I'll write in Sanskrit. Vakit bhavati. Kit na bhavati. Kit na bhavati. That is what it is.
Akitvam, yeah. Kit na
bhavati. Here, what it does is 1 to 21. Va kit na bhavati. It means it will be kit only. That's what is done. Va kit na bhavati. Kit na bhavati. Then va kit na bhavati. Now it is in matching with Kashika. Right? Understand?
So
it's a little difficult, no?
The bracket Akitvam, Kitna Bhavati, we can keep it as Akitvam.
Here Kitna Bhavati, therefore Akit. Okay. That also you want me to put. Okay. Meaning Akit. Okay. Very good. Okay. Then here Vakitna Bhavati means
optional Kit.
Therefore it will be Kit only.
Kitvam, yeah.
So Kit by 1 to 21 and Akit by 1 to 19. Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This is how tricky, no? You have to be very smart. Okay, now you can decline all the gender. Ruchitaha, Ruchita, Ruchitaha, Ruchita. We know that. I can skip that. Ruchitam, Ruchite, Ruchitani. Now, Tavatu also same. We'll have 2 forms. Ruch plus. Okay, this is supposed to be Sananta class. Anyway, but something interesting is that that's why I thought of sharing. But I never expected this will happen here. This is Tavatu. Therefore, here also with it, with Kit, without Kit. So, Rochita.
Rochitavan, Ruchitavan.
Rochitavata is one form. Same as other one. I think we don't have to write the same rules. Okay. So, Rochita, here Ruchitavata. Same. Nishta Pratyaya, right? You can decline all these forms. Then. What about Trich? Trich already we did. Rochitra.
Yeah, Rochita.
Rochitra. That you can, of course, you can.
So, website le 2 forms that is not correct, actually.
Where?
Dakta pratyay, ktva, no?
I also made two forms only.
Okay, we did that, no?
Yeah, okay.
Ruchita, Rochita, two forms.
Rendu
That
irukku.
only.
Yeah, but here, ktavatu, it won't play.
Tavatu also two forms only.
Two
Rochita,
forms we got,
Ruchita.
yeah.
Oh,
One
okay.
male irukku, nikku irukku. Previous page.
Okay.
Okay. Then tin pratyaya, okay, not required. Tin pratyaya, otherwise rukti, something will come which we use in the language or not, so we don't know. Then ruch plus lut becomes rochana.
Rochanam.
Rochanam, nattam will not happen. And null will become rochaka.
Rochakaha.
Rochika.
Ruchika.
Rochaka and rochika. Tuman will be
Rochitum.
rochitum.
Yeah, the only one thing, right? Rochitum.
Yeah, only when kit is there, then we have
It
to
is
talk
there,
about.
yeah.
Seti, Nishta, Seti, Twa only is given, not Tum, right? Therefore, no problem here. Ruch plus null, Rochaka. This is Tumanante, this is null. And Shatra will become not Shatra. What will you use?
Atmanepadi, Shanach. So,
therefore, Rochamana.
Rochamana.
Roch, then Rocha plus Rocha, then Mukkagama will come. Rochamana. So Rochamanaha, right? Rochamanaha, Rochamanaha. Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, all this we can do. And Lit Shatra would be Shanach. Interesting. Because Shatra Shanach can be used in Lit Lakara also. That becomes Rochishyamana. Yes or no?
Yes.
Rich plus Sya plus
Sya plus Mukkagama plus
Mukkagama will come. Then of course Angakara will happen, Rochishyamana. Karmani Shanach should be Ruch. Dhatu is Ruch plus Karmani Shanach. So it will be Yak plus Ana. So Yak plus Ana, you will get
Mukkagama,
Yamana, and Yak cannot cause Ruchyamana.
So Ruchyamana.
Ruchyamanaha Pullinga. Ruchyamana Srilinga, Ruchyamana Napumsakalinga. Right?
Yeah.
Karmani Rit. That will become Dhatu is Ruch plus Sya. Then Mana will come. All those things you can note, right? Ishyamana.
Ishyamana.
So, and this can cause Angakarya. Therefore, Rochishyamana. Like Karishamana, Rochishyamana, right? Rochishyamana. And Rochishyamana, Nattum will happen. Rochishyamana. Because
Shakara is there.
Shakara and all the allowable letters, right? Therefore, it will happen. Like Karishamana. Okay. Then, Kritya Pratyas. Aniyar if you add to the Aniyar.
So, Rochaniya.
Yes. Ruch will become Rocha. Then you have a Rocha, Niya. Then Tavya, Rochitavya.
Rochitavya.
And Ruch, you will have Nyat Pratyaya, right?
Nyat
Pratyaya Palya also Rochya only. Ruch will become Rochya. You can check the website. It's given. Nyat Pratyaya only it will come. So therefore Rochya. I think he has not given. That's okay. Any special rule applies that you need to apply. I think as of now, it's no special rule. You can take Rochya. Otherwise, let me quickly check Rochya. Yes, Rochya. That's the correct one. Rochya. Okay. Right? Okay, then Kep, now Kep is not come. And causative Ruch will become Rochi.
Rochi.
Then therefore it becomes Rochayati. Rochayate, right? Rochayate, Rochayato, Rochay. Oh, sorry, all these are
This will be
Atmane. So Nijanta. Nichascha is
But
for both
here it
perspectives.
is Ubhayapati, it will become no.
Yes, so you can
Ah,
make it like that. So
yeah.
not a problem. So anyway, I will make it Paripadi. Rochayata, Rochayata, Rochayatam, then Rochayeta. Okay. Then okay. Karmani, Laka Karmani. That is Nijanta. Nijanta Karmani would be. It's not required, but anyway, which Rochayate will become
Rochi and Rochiyate. Roch.
one. You can see if you
No,
Dhatu
the
is
Atma, it will
Rochi.
become, there will be no
When
aniti.
this is Anit, Aniti Pare, this Ni will go away,
Ni
Roch.
will go away. Yeah.
The Roch plus Yak plus Te, Rochate you will get.
Rochiyate.
I think the Karma, Kartari alone is enough. Sanantarupam, that you can tell. What will happen? Dhatu is said Dhatu. Ruch, Ruch. Then plus San, Dhatu. Dhatu is said Dhatu.
Say
Right?
it.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is our job, yes. You can tell what will happen.
Okay, so it will be now.
Haladi Shesha.
Aladi Seshaha.
Aladi Sheshaha. The whole year.
Then
Because this is
Ru.
Seti.
Seti.
Seti,
Seti
what
is
we do?
Angakaryam
Angakaryam.
first.
First we do. What is Angakaryam? Angakaryam negated.
No,
Because this is.
Negated.
No, Ji.
Uh,
No, Seti Dvitvam first, no? Aniti
sorry.
Angakaryam.
Angakaryam
Seti
first.
is,
Yeah, sorry.
Seti is Ritvam first, yeah.
But anyway, Angakaryam also will not happen. Don't worry. Therefore,
Okay.
Ruruch plus. It is a said Dhatu.
Yeah, Isa.
Isha.
Isa.
Atmanipadi. Ishate. Then just join. Angakaryam cannot happen, right?
Ruru. Ruru Chish.
After Dvitam, we do Angakaryam. Angakaryam Alantacha will dismiss. Alantacha. Therefore, Ruru Chishate. That's all. Simple. All the rakas we can do, right? And referring to the person who has a desire, Dhatu is Ruru, Chisha is a Dhatu. Ruru Chisha plus U. This is Adhatuka Pratyaya. Ata Lopaha will happen. Akara of the Dhatu will become Lopaha. Ruru Chish, Ruru Chishuhu will have the form. And it's Icha, Kartum Icha in that Srilinga. Ruru, Chishuhu, right? What is that I wrote? Icharte. Whatever is that before I just. Yeah. Ruru Chishu is a person who has the desire. Ruru Chishu, right? Ruru Chishu, we can decline. Like Guru Shabda. Now, Tasya Icha, Kartum Icha, Ichate, Ruru Chishu plus A. Again, here Ukara will become Lopaha. Ruruchish, Ruruchisha. Understand? Kartumicha, Chikirsha. How do you get Chikirsha? So when Adadatuka Pratyaya follows, this, Ukarasya. Ukarasya Lopaka Katam Bhavati. Again, I forgot. I taught you. I forgot. Katam Bhavati. Here Akara is Sato Lopaha. I remember. Ruruchishu. Then Ruruchishu plus the Srilinga Pratyaya will come. And when A comes, Ukarasya Lopaha Bhavat, then after that Ta Pratyaya Ruruchisha comes. Ruchish, I think Angasya Antyasya Lopaha. One sutram is that. I forgot what is that sutram. When the Pratyaya Krit Pratyaya follows. Okay, 1 minute. Let us see. I also forgot just to recall. Then Sanaha, one sutra. Sanam, this is by the sutra, U Pratyaya will come. सन इति सन प्रत्यय सरि धातोः सनन्ते धातुभ्यः उप प्रत्यय भवति लाइक चिकीर्षु एटसेट्रा यस कर्तुम इच्छा इच्छार्थे that is one sutra icha which is in Srilinga section 30101 and here only we have one pratyaya yes this is a sutra pratyantebhyah dhatubhyah striyam akarah vidyate where you can see chikirsha so when akara comes yangakarya ayadi pratyaya pare yangakarya then you have the akara becoming lopaha that's why you get chikirsha jigisha स्त्रियां प्रत्यांतेभ्यः धातुभ्यः स्त्रियां अकारः प्रत्ययः स्यात् so akara is a pratyaya adadatuka प्रत्यय परे अंगस्य लोपः भवति by what sutra I think that also I told once what sutra I forgot what sutra it goes away Chikesha, yeah, here it is given. Chikesha, ta pratyaya. Chikesh, we add the pratyaya. 6448. That's what is for Gangakarya. 6440. Ato lopaha. Ato lopaha.
That is usually we do for.
Yes. Akarante jaddatike pratyaya. Okay. Ato lopaha, not this one. Ato lopaha will happen. Chikirsha, then we add a, then Chikirsha you get. Oh, sorry, I think we made a mistake. Dhatu is Chikirsha only, not Chikirshu. Something, where is that? Dhatu is, this is a Dhatu. Ruchisha is a Dhatu. I took it wrongly. I took it from the Karta, the one who has the desire.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's not,
So, sha.
we put ourselves into a trap. Apratya, Ruchisha. So, therefore, here, Rochitum, Icha, you have Ruruchisha. And Rochitum Ichuhu becomes Ruruchishuhu. Okay, other forms of null it's possible you can do. Okay. So it's a revision. Ruruchisha also we did. Now, here, if you follow,
Yes, Jay. Yeah.
Yes, Jay.
Okay, only two are there. Only.
So, but the best part is, if we make a mistake, adukku or sutram we are searching for.
Yes, because so many things are there, and you need to remember, not remember, at least we should be able to find and rectify immediately. Generally, I do after the class. If I don't get, immediately after the class, I tell you. Now, the interesting thing was what I was doing, and you know it, that's why I thought of sharing that. Okay, Sananta, anyway, will continue next. But I will add in the video.
Kridantas.
Dhat Rupani it is. Taniya or the video add anyway, I will add it in Sananta because Sananta we are deriving, but you need to later you should be able to mark it and refer it. I don't know. But document, of course, I will send you.
Actually, Kridantas.
Yeah, we are keeping a separate folder, G. Kridantas.
You are having,
Yeah.
Yeah, we made it.
Okay, no, I'm talking about the video file.
Okay.
இல்ல உங்க ஃபைலே we are renaming it as Kridantan தனியா போட்டு வச்சிருக்கோம். இந்த ஒரு
we can save it there.
So that when you do Kridanta, we thought we'll again we'll have a look.
Okay, here I will take another data and do it, and then we can stop. Okay. Rather interesting. 495 you stay. See, what is 495? Sransu, Dvamsu, Brahmsu, Avasramsane, right? See that? Srams
Yes, yes,
dhatu. In the sense of flowing, spilling. That is a dhatu. In the sense of sramsu. Sramsu, sramsu, dvamsu, all the dhatus. Fall down, flowing. Avasamsarne. Now here, you take this dhatu. Now coming back to the word file here. I change the dhatu. Dhatu. It is sramsu is there. What nakara is this? It was before apadanta nakara.
Nakara.
Because nasya padanta sijali it has become
Anuswara.
Anuswara.
But let us keep like this. But you note this nakara is not because the dhatu is
Idit dhatu illa.
Exactly. That is what is important. Not because the dhatu is idit. Therefore, what dhatu is anidit dhatu. Therefore, what will apply? Aniditaha alaha upadayaha. It's a very important sutra. Remember, I told you many times.
Yeah.
Important sutra.
Yes.
That will applicable for all this. Dvamsu, Brahmsu, here also Sramb. There's nothing but the Nakara has become Makara. First it was Nakara, Nakara became Anuswara, Anuswara say Paraswara, therefore Srambu. Okay.
Oh,
Understand?
okay. Yeah.
Actually it is what? This is also Srambu only. You have to note like that. Because we operate all the sutra, therefore we just become Nakara. But it is Upada Nakara only. Therefore, what sutra you will remember? Aniditaha alaha. That you need to remember that. Right? Okay. Now this dhatu. If you see the again dhatu pata, the same thing. Therefore, it is udataha anudataha, right? Because in the same category it is there. Which dhatu
Okay.
nisa 489 and what is 503? Jitadeha udataha
Anudata. So it's
Anudata.
Atmanepadi Set.
Therefore, Atmanepadi state that. Okay, that I will copy from here. It is Jitadeha udataha anudatetaha, right? Is it clear? Now, let us take Sramsu. What is the meaning? Prasravane, I think given. Sramsu. I will make like Nakara so that we know that Nakara will go away when followed by a Kit Pratyaya. Right? Will go away. Sramsane. Anidita malaha upadayaha giti pratyaya pare. What will happen? Go away. Right? Nakarasya. Upada nakarasya. Lopaha bhavati. Right? Right.
That's a sutra.
Huh?
What is a sutra?
6 post 24. Important sutra that is.
Okay.
Now you see the word file?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now let us decline. Sramsu. Okay. Another important thing is here who is Udit Dhatus. Udit Dhatus are weight with regard to Swapratyaya. Therefore, what will happen?
Oh.
Okay.
You can see 7 to section. You can
Both
note.
forms will be there in
Twa Pratyaya, you will.
One small summary is there for Nishtha Pratyaya. I can show you that also. Sankshepana. That is Udit Dhatus. Ukara is it. Udit Dhatus, right? You see, they are weight with regard to Nishtha Pratyaya. Sorry, with regard to Twa Pratyaya. Kshamitama. With regard to Twa Pratyaya, it is weight. Therefore, with regard to Nishtha Pratyaya, it will be Anit.
Only one form.
No, Anit, not one form. With regard to Twa Pratyaya, Udit Dhatus are weight. Then with regard to Nishtha, it will be Anit. Means it will not allow Ittagama. Understand?
Ittagama, yeah.
I give this example, maybe a wrong example for the wrong person, but I give the example. Okay. If you are dating with that woman, I will not date with you. Simple. This is when I teach the boys, I teach. Okay, this is. But example is important. So this person optionally dates. Therefore, with regard to Nishtha, you cannot date. Simple. Understand?
Yeah.
So this is our formula. Anyatra weight, Nishtayam Anit. Simple. That is the meaning of the sutra.
Okay.
The Shastra, wherever Ittagama is given optional for some pratyaya, any pratyaya, okay? then Nishta Pratyaya, it will be Anit only.
Okay.
That's the rule.
So that is Yasya Vibhasha rule. Huh?
Exactly.
Yasya
We will see
Vibhasha.
that in detail later. Yeah,
Okay.
yes. Yasya Vibhasha is equal to Anyatra Vet Nishtayam Anit. Understand?
Okay.
Anyatra Vet Nishtayam. That is our formula.
Okay.
Like no 5, no 9, all those things.
Other-
Anyatra Vet Nishtayam Anit. Okay. Here you see Udito Va, the sutram is there. That is for Twa Pratyaya. Because for Twa Pratyaya, Itakama is given an optionality. Therefore, with regard to Nishta, it will be Anit. You understand? Okay. Now, this you also remember. All these things you need to remember. One is the Dhatu is not a Idit Dhatu. Nakara is there. Therefore, Anidita Hala Upadaya Angiti by that Sutra, Upadanakara will become Lopaha when a Kit and Git Pratyaya follows. Number 2, this is a Udit Dhatu. Therefore, Nishtayam, it will be Anit. Twa Pratyaya, it will be wait. Okay. Keep that, we will do that later. Now, Kartari, it is Atmanepadi. Therefore, what is the root form? Simple. This is Sram. Here nothing will happen because Srams plus Shap plus Te. So Nakara will be there. I mean, Upadharakara. That will become Nashtapadanta Sijali Sramsate. Sramsate. This will not go because Shap only follows, right?
Yeah.
Then
And even if you have
Asramsata, Langlakara, and here it will be Sramsatam.
Satam, Samseta,
Yeah. Then Sramseta.
Sveta.
Sramseta, right? Then future tense Srams Dhatu. Srams plus Set Dhatu. Therefore Isya plus Te. So because it is
Samsrishyate.
this is not a kit. Therefore this will not go. Therefore you will have
Samsrishyate.
You can just check the website if the form is correct. Huh? You can check, not check it. Srishyate, it must be. Is it correct?
Don't know. Now only I am opening.
Oh, yeah, it's correct only. Okay, it's given. Then Lut Lakara would be Srams plus Tas plus Da, that is Da. So here Itagama will come, and here Da is Ditva Samatya, Te Lopaha. Here As will go away. Therefore, Lata, Takara plus A, Ta, then Sramsita. Samsitaro, Samsitaraha. Okay. And Ling Lakara will be a combination of both. Therefore, there we can copy this Asram Sishyata. Right?
Asram.
Now, Karmani as we saw, it will be Karmani interesting because these Srams plus Yak plus Te, what will happen here? Kit Pratyaya follows.
The Nakara drops.
Yeah. Upada Nakara will become drop. Therefore, Sras will have Srasyate. You can check the form. It must be this Srasyate only. Then Srasya, that part alone you take it, becomes Asrasyata. And here it becomes Srasyata, becomes Srasyeta. Right? Follow.
Yes, sir.
Then here it will become Srams. Of course, Itagama will be there. The form will be same. Here also the form will be same. Here also the form will be same. Okay. Asram Sishyata. Now Twa Pratyaya, because the Dhatu is Udit. Uditvat, that's the point. Yeah. Why I write a sutra. Udito va.
Udito.
Iti sutrena. The sutrena, we want to check the sutra, please see. 7.2 section. So to section. After 7.2.35, you will see the sutra. Uditova.
7.56.
56. Twi coming as anubhrati. That means Twa. For Udidhatu, when Twa Pratyaya follows, this will be Itagama will be optional, right?
Optional, yeah.
Udita Sutrena.
It is okay.
Ved bhavati. Sutrena, it is, it vikalpena bhavati, right? Vaitava, Sutram, what is the number? 7 to 50,
56.
656.
Okay, that is the importance of this udit. Second one is nakara is upada nakara is aniditaha lahu padayam giti by that sutra 6-4. Important that by that sutra. What happens? Sutrena, the sutrena nakara lopa bhavati. Upada nakara lopaha happens by the sutra. Upada nakara, often anidit dhatu. Pada nakara lopa happens by this sutra. You have to note anidit is very important.
Yes.
By this sutra, 6-4-24 is important sutra. So, a dhatu which is not an it, anidita. Okay. These two you remember. Then, with this background. Now, twa pratyaya, now we will have
So we'll have two
Srams.
forms then.
Trams
Samsritva.
plus twa. Dhatu is said dhatu. Dhatu is said dhatu, right?
Yeah.
So, therefore, what will happen when said dhatu follows?
It will become a
Twa
Samsrit.
pratyaya, and it is uditova by that sutra.
So two forms should be there.
Yes. So twa pratyaya follows. Therefore, by uditova, this will take ittagama, right? Optionally. Therefore, you will have, and this is the what pratyaya? And because
Samsritva.
twa pratyaya taking ittagama, right? Twa, that just we saw. Twa seti na kit bhavati. Remember? You have to remember that. 1, 2. Na twa set. What is sutra? Number
1 to 19 you have written
Yes.
there.
19.
Na twa set. What does it say? For set dhatu,
To 8.
right? Twa pratyaya set na kit bhavati. When it is not kit, then how upadanakara will go? Will not go. Because it is not kit. It will be akit. Therefore, upadanakara will not go. It will be there. Comes sram sitva iti rupam. Understand? Is it clear? Sram sitva.
Yes.
Because itva will enjoy. This year it enjoys what? Akitvam it enjoys. Akitvam it enjoys. By the sutra, 1 to
1 to 18.
1 to 18 only,
1
right?
to 19.
1 to
Yeah.
18.
18 da.
18.
18 da பார்த்தோம்.
1 to 18, yes. 1 to 18 enjoys Akitvam because it is Akit. Therefore, 6-4, the 24 will not apply. I write it or mark it in red color. So don't apply that. 6-4, 24 will apply when? When Kiti Pratyaya, Kiting Iti Pratyaya Pare. This will not apply. That's why Nakara stays. Next option, because Vikalpa, right? That is also you have to know that. That's why in the beginning itself I wrote Udit Dhatus will take Vikalpena Ittakama. Therefore, two forms will be there for Twa Pratyaya. The Sutrena it Vikalpena Bhavati Kasya Twa Pratyayasya. Twa Pratyaya Pare or Twa, it is for Twa Pratyaya. Twa Pratyaya Vishaye it Vikalpena Bhavati. Okay. So therefore here, coming back here. So here Ittakama will it become? No, without it, Ittakama
Without
option,
it.
right? Now, here it is not said. Therefore, 1 to 18 will not apply. Therefore, it is kit. Therefore, Upada Nakara will go away by 6-4-24. Therefore, here you will have Srastva Kitvam.
Srastva.
It is Kitvam because it is Kit. Kitvam
Yeah.
is not denied. And therefore, by 6-4-124, Upada Nakara will go away. Understand? This is part is only interesting. That's what I thought of sharing. You follow?
Yes, Jay.
We have to go.
But we have to go through it
Again.
once more and
Yeah.
get the
Yeah, this is a very tricky thing. See, tva pratyaya is udit dat. I mean, for udit dhatu, tva pratyaya visaye itagama vikalpena bhavati. Number one.
Vikalpena pratyaya. Wait. Okay.
So with the itagama, when it comes by na tva set, the kittam is lifted. Because it is not a kit, the upadanakara will not go. Is it clear? Number one form. Second form is itagama is optional, right? So if it is not itagama, there is no question of applying 1 to 80, not tva set. So kittam will be there because it is kit. Therefore 6424 will apply. Upadanakara is
will go.
will go away. Lopah bhavati. Okay, just go through that later.
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Yes, Jay.
Then srams plus lyap. Here what will happen? Just apply the same logic. When lyap pratyaya follows, what will happen?
So the kitvam will be there. So
Yeah, because twa pratyaya
is
twa is kit.
kit.
It is replaced by lyap. Therefore kittam is there for lyap. Therefore
Press the nakara will go away.
nakara should go by 6424.
24.
Therefore you will have prasrasya.
Prasasya.
Now when it comes to nishta, what will happen? Nishta is dangerous, is very jealous. So therefore even the dhatu is said, but anyatra wait. Therefore nishtayam anit only, no itagama. Because it is anit. Right? Because it is anit, there is no question of set. Therefore there is no question of vikalpena itvam and all. So therefore what will happen here?
Inga, shall we write at the top A Sutra Ji? Niga sonnadu.
What sutra?
Now you told us.
Anyatra wait.
Anyatra wait.
Anyatra
Wait. No, you said something first. No, shonningle.
anyatra wait nishtayam
showing
set.
the tabular column.
Anyatra wait nishtayam set.
Wait, nishtayam.
Anyatra set nishtayam wait. Like a poem, huh?
Ada.
Anyatra wait nishtayam.
Nishtayam set.
Sorry, nishtayam
Anit.
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 This is our formula. This is the meaning of the, in fact, the Yasya Vibhasha Sutra.
Adu idiki. Yes.
Yasya Vibhasha. Vibhasha, what is the number? எல்லாத்தையும் எழுதிக்க வேண்டியதான் 7 So Yasya Vibhasha. எல்லாத்தையும் பண்ணி வைப்போம், போட்டு வைப்போம். எவ்வளவு தூரம் உள்ள போமோ போட்டோம். Yasya Vibhasha 7 to 15. Sutra is 7 to 15. Somewhere it will be help. Okay, notes are there. Maximum we try to do. Essay Vibhasha. Yeah. Somewhere it will help later when we see. So no itagama, even though dhatu is said. Then what will happen? It's a kit pratyaya. Upadanakarasya lopaha.
So ikta srasta.
So it will be srasta, but srasta, right? Yes, I think only one form. So it is kit. Therefore, what will apply here? Only 6424, I write. Kittam is not lifted, it will be there. Therefore, 64124 goes away. Right. So same thing for Tavatu. Tavatu will become same.
Swastavan.
Itavat. Sorry, not Itavat. Sorry, Tavat. Swastavat. Simple. Okay. Then Trish will be clear. Trish is, it is not denied, right? That is sons plus Trish. So it is.
So it will be Samskri only, no? Samskri. Samsit. Itagama will be there.
Yes, of course, Itagama will be there. With the lut. Samsanam.
Samsranam.
So you can make it apadanta nakara as this. Samsanam. Okay. Then null also in the same meaning.
Samsraka.
It is not kit following, therefore it will be there. Samsaka. Samsika. Okay. Tuman will be Sramsitum.
Samsitum.
This is all. Again, null will be in the sense of tumun only here also. Becomes Sram Saka. Sakaha. Right? Yeah. Then
There also it will be Anuswara, no, ji? And the null எழுதும்போது. Above. That will be Anuswara. Male, no, next. Yeah.
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 Yeah, we better it.
Yeah.
Shana should be
Sun should be
Samsamana.
Samsamana. And lit will be lit Shanaj.
Transition.
Yes, Sakara plus this Sramsishyamana. Right? Srams Dhatu, yeah, it is Dhatu Sakara. So I think lit Shanaj will not be a problem. Yeah, Sramsishyamana it must be. Okay. Karmani yak will come, therefore Akara will go away. Tras plus yak plus Sasyamana will be Sasyamana. Understand? And Karmani lit, there is no yak, therefore there we will have Sramsishyamana. Same as here. Here also Natto will happen. Understand? Sramsishyamana, Karmani Shanaj. And here would be for the Dhatu, Srams Dhatu.
Samsaniya.
I think it will be Samsaniya. Samsaniya. Then Tabya would be
Samsitavya.
And of course, Nyat will come if we know Apavada Sadhara, therefore Sramsya. I think. Okay. Then Nijanta would be Srams plus Nij, Sramsi. Nakara will not go, it will be there, Sramsi. So in Karta it will become Samsayate. Am I right? Yes. Samsayate only. Asamsayata, then Samsayata, Samsayata, all. This is Nijanta. In Karmani it will be Sramsi plus Yak plus Te, right? When Yak follows Aniti, then Ni you go away, therefore Samsyate. The form looks same as the normal Karmani. Sanantarupam, that Yuta, that is our, Srams, which is Set Dhatu, right? Seti, Dvitvam first and then Abhijari.
Yeah.
So here it is Isha. Then when we do Dvitvam, after that?
Aladisesha, then it will become Samyataha will come. Sa will become C. Then
so Aladisesha Sa will be there. Sa will be replaced by C. Then C.
C Sram. Then Shatvam will happen. That's it.
Yes. Sakara is
Shatvam.
How Shatvam happens?
Isa is there, no? Say it.
Yeah, already I've done Isha. Sakara plus E.
Yeah.
Sistram Isha. Sistram Isha and Atmanepari Sistram Ishate. Sistram Isha is the Dhatu. So the desire of that will become
Atholopa will happen. Then
Sistram Sishuhu. And that Icha will be Sistram plus Sistram Isha plus Akara will go away. Then you need to add a top pratyaya. Then Sistram Isha will come. So Samsitum Icha Sistram Sisha. Samsrishtum Ichuhu Sistram Shudu. Right? Oh, yeah. Another thing is that I'll tell and then it's done. I'll give homework, you can try. You remember the Shabda Ukhasras? This in Subanta, once upon a time, we learned.
Yeah.
Ukayaha sramsate iti ukasrams. I just copy paste from that. This is actually Kibanta, the Upapada Samasa. Okay, it is I copy paste from the Subanta. A minute. That is the connection. Okay, what you can see here. Ukasra Shabdaha now. How Ukasra Shabdaha is derived? We copy pasted from our Subanta. Please see. Sakarantaha Pullingaha Ukasas. That all these are copy pasted only. I have not done it. We have done Ukayaha Sramsate iti Ukasrata. How get Ukasrata? Dhatu is Ukas Srams only, right? We have Sutra Vasu Dvamsu Anudukam Daha, remember?
Yes, Ji.
Which is an Apavada to Sasajishoruhu. Sasajishoruhu 8 to 66 is Apavada to Jalam Jashonte, right? We know.
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
And Apavada to Sasajishoruhu is Vasu Sramsu Dvamsu Anudukam Daha. It is in the same section. Just see after 8 to 66, just down below. 72. Vasu Sramsu Dvamsu Anudukam Daha. That is Sakara of the Vasu Anta. Srams Dhatu, Dvams Dhatu, Anaduk will be replaced by Dakara. Apavada to Ruttam. Therefore, Dakara comes here. Karicha, optionally, Takara. That's what I have written here. Ukayaha Panchami. Samasa, Upapada Samasa. Srams plus Kip Pratyaya. Kip Pratyaya follows. What will happen? Kip Pratyaya. Therefore, Upada Nakarasya
Nakara Lopaha.
Lopaha Bhavati by Aniditaha Laha Upadayam iti. Therefore, Ukasras iti Upapada Samasa. When you add a Supratyaya, what will happen? Sulopaha Bhavati, Apruktaya Kal Pratyaya Lopaha, long back we have seen.
Yeah.
We call Ukasras is the Prati, now is a Padam, but
Adanta
then
Sakara.
ending with Sakara of Sras. Therefore, Ruttam is an exception to Jattam, we know. Similarly, there is an exception to Ruttam. That is, Ruttam is dismissed by the Sutra 8 to 72 for this Dhatu. Vasvantasya Padasya Sakarantasya Sramsu Dvamsu Anudugha iti etesham Dakaraha Adesha Bhavati. Therefore, Krutva Ukasraditi Rupam and Ukasratiti Karicha by that. Then we can decline Ukasraso, Ukasrataha, Ukasrasam, Ukasraso, Ukasrataha, Ukasrasa, and 3 2 3 4, 3 2 3 3, 4 2 4 3 5 2 5 3, 7 3. We know what will happen, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Ji. I have
Finally.
to see again.
Finally get this Shabda.
We'll go through it.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Already we know, we have seen, right? That's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
it's easy. Now, some words I myself derived for this. Akasha Samsata iti Akasha Sratu. Okay. Parvatat Samsata iti Parvata Sratu. We can decline like that. Parvata Akasha Sras is the Pradipadi. Netra Samsata iti Netra Sras. So when you decline, Netra Satu. Understand?
Okay, Ji.
The same way you do for Dvamsu also. Dvamsu, which is there in the Dhatu Pata, the very next Dhatu. That is your homework. You need to scratch your head. Do it. You'll learn a lot. Please do it. But you can see here. Please see here. Sramsu, Dvamsu is there. You can try. And Brahmsu
Yes.
also is there. But I will appreciate if you try Dvamsu. Otherwise, I will do it in the next class. No problem.
We'll try and
No,
see.
we'll
Ji.
try
We'll
first,
try and
Ji,
see.
and then, yeah.
We'll, yeah.
Yes, please try. This is interesting. That's right.
Okay.
Dvamsu also we have done. One Pratipadikam. You know what is that? You have forgotten.
But it's newer. When you said we have done Subanta, I'm just looking at it.
Dvams, Parnadvams, remember. You see a lot of Subanta. All Subantas we have covered. Parnadvams, that which destroys the leaves. Parnani Dvamsate iti Karmani. Karma, the Upapa Samasa, Karma. Parnani. Here Ukayaha is Panchami. Ukayaha Sramsate. Parnani Dvamsate iti Parnadvams. That is also Sakaranta Shabda. That which destroys the leaves. We have done. Please check your notes. Okay.
Yes.
So this is interesting. I will send you this. Same line you can do for Dvams.
Yes, Ji.
Okay.
Yes, Ji.
Sananta also we have done. Therefore, I will include this in Sananta
Okay.
class. Okay.
Okay, Ji.
Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। Harihi Om. Since we will not be having class for 2 weeks, so I have given you a lot of things to cover.
Yeah.
I think in 2 weeks we can make it. We can master this. Dham's example also is there. Not only Dham's, other next
We
one
have
also is
to.
Sir, நீங்க துவம்ச பண்ணிட்டீங்க.
Brahms also you can try.
வெறும் PDF
Dhamsu.
பார்த்தா
Huh?
only with the PDF we can't do. We have to go through the
Yeah,
video.
yeah. With the
Each
video
and every
only,
word is
yeah.
important.
Important. அது
Everything is
எல்லாம்
available, right? So
yeah,
what I
Yeah.
will do, you tell me when I learn. I have to struggle to learn, right?
yeah, very much.
Yes,
sir.
And what
Very
will be
much.
Samaji and other people would have done? They would have struggled a lot than more. Without books. At least now we have PDF books.
Yeah.
That time they
Correct,
have to
correct.
struggle for getting books. Living on the bank of the Ganga, they get it from library, read and return back. How much they must have struggled.
ஸ்ரோத்ரவ்ய
Correct.
மந்தவ்ய தான்.
You see, that's why. How much
So
they
then
would have.
only they can remember nicely.
Yeah,
But
that's
we
why
are
they are
depending
able
on
to.
all
We are
this.
depending on
Swamiji,
so
when he
much
was
of
lying
the.
on the stretcher, he was telling the lit rupam. How Babuva
Apadi.
comes from Budhatu. Bhavetaraha Sutrena. Boo will become Bha, Babuva, never come, Gagra. Lying on the stretcher
Oh.
in the hospital. He's asking some grammar point. So, அப்ப அந்த அளவு அவங்க எங்க புக் இருக்கு? He was living in a kutia.
Yeah.
Get books from library or someone borrow return back. அது எல்லாமே இந்த மாதிரி டீடைல் எல்லாம் உனக்கு வெப்சைட் எங்க இருக்கு? வெப்சைட் நான் படிக்கும்போது வெப்சைட் கிடையாது first of all.
No, that's why your fundamentals are very
Correct.
strong. எப்ப வேணாலும் எதுவும் நீங்க பின்னாடி போய் எங்களுக்கு we really need to depend on so much on notes and.
So அதுக்கப்புறம் books, I depend on books. Now we depend on site, books, PDF. So much dependency has come. That's okay. At least learning, the passion is that's important. So Dvamsu, Brahmsu for 2 weeks, one dhatu for 1 week. You got enough thing to do. So you will not miss the class.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Dhanyawad. Thank you. Sorry, 1.5 hours.
No, Ji. We
No
must say
problem.
thank you.
Yeah,
No
dhanyawad.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad, Haji.
Dhanyawad.